Well, assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, here is the Cyber King again with another lecture. Well, today's lecture is going to be on working with files. Yeah, I forgot to write the topic. Okay, working with files. So these are the list of what we are going to cover in this lecture. First is moving from one directory to another, like when you want to navigate from one directory or a folder to another. Second one, listing of directories and files. If you want to list what's the contents in a directory, in a folder, you understand. And the third one is creating a directory, how to create the directory itself, deleting the directory, creating a file and deleting it, in copying a file to another folder, like when you want to copy a file from one folder to another. Well, and the last one is file display. Well, let's start. Let's commence the lecture. Okay, the first one is moving from one directory to another. Of course, these are useful commands. The first useful command is the cd command. As the first one indicates, if you want to navigate from one directory to another, you are going to be using you need to be using the cd command. Well, the cd command, cd. First of all, let's list ls. Well, as I said, if you want to navigate from one directory to another, first of all, let's let's print our working directory. Let's see where we are. Okay, we are in the home shotgun 2003 directory. Okay, if you do ls, we list what is in the directory. If you want to list what are in your directory, this is how you're going to list them with the ls command. You see, we have the desktop, the documents, the download, and the rest. Okay, now in changing the directory, that's moving from one directory to another. Now currently we are in the home shotgun directory. We want to navigate to the desktop directory, so we are going to use the cd command, cd desktop. Okay, I made a mistake. So now we have moved to the desktop directory. Let's do ls. Well, pwd. You see, we are in the desktop directory now. So if we want to go back to the previous directory, that's going back to to the previous folder, we go by cd one dash. Okay, you see, then we do ls. You see, we are back to where we were before. Okay, if we do ls, you see the same directory. Okay, let's clear. The second one is listing of directories and the files, which we have already treated. If you want to list your files and directories, this is how you are going to use the ls command. Now these are what are in our directory. Okay, the next one is creating a directory. If you want to create a directory, simply you should create it by mkdir. Understand? Let's create a directory called my name. Okay, well, we have created it. ls, you see, This is what we just created. So, and also the next one is deleting the directory. So if we want to get rid of what we just created, we simply do it by saying rm dash r. Okay, sorry, rm dash r, then the name of the folder, which is my name. Well, if you do ls, if you check it, you won't find it again. You see it is if you see it here, if you check here, you will not find it. Okay, the next one, let's move to the next one. File, creating a file. A directory is a folder. Okay, the next one is file. If you want to create a file, you simply start by, if you like, you can use two commands. The first one is, let's say we want to create a file called my name. Nano, this is how you're going to create nano my name. Sorry, let's navigate and make it in the desktop directory. cd, we do ls. Okay, we want to create a file called my name, nano my name. I am a good boy. Well, I create this is the text I write in the file. If you want to save it, you simply click Ctrl plus O, then you press enter. Now it is saved. You exit by Ctrl plus X. Well, if you do ls, this is what you just created. This is a file. You see, it is colored white, while a directory is colored blue. You see. Well, the next one is how to delete the file. How to delete the file. But before deleting the file, before I show you how to delete the file, there is this last one, file display. If you want to display a file, you simply click cat. Let's open this file and see what is inside. We want to display the content in it. My name. You see, I am a good boy. Well, let's get rid of it. We want to create to delete the file. rm, just my name. If you can remember, when we wanted to delete a folder, we use the command rm-r, but this one is a file, no need to put the -r. Okay, well, now let's list the content ls. You see, we have only the lecture 1 in there. Well, that's the end of our lecture. We meet in the next lecture. So please and please, if you watch this video, I will need a support from you simply by subscribing to my YouTube channel. By doing so, if I upload another video, you'll be the first one to get notified. Okay, and also if you do so, you are helping me and also you are helping yourself, because everything I know, I will try as much as possible to make a video showing what is it, explaining it to you. So please and please help me by subscribing and also with a like. Thank you. See you in the next video.